Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about the nitrogen cycle, the last part of the chapter 2 of your science book. So nitrogen is required for plants to build protein. Although 78% of air is nitrogen, but plants cannot use it directly. So how do nitrogen requirement of plants is fulfilled? So that answer we are going to know in this video. So let's start. The first thing is the nitrogen cycle is consist of 5 steps. First one, nitrogen fixation. Next, nitrogen assimilation. Third, ammonification. Fourth, nitrification. And fifth, denitrification. So let's see what the first step is. The first step is nitrogen fixation, the process by which atmospheric nitrogen is converted into usable nitrates is called nitrogen fixation. Okay, so the atmospheric nitrogen is get converted into such a form so that the plants can use it, and this is known as nitrogen fixation. Okay, and this is done naturally by rhizobium bacteria, which is present in the root nodules of leguminous plants such as peas, peanuts, etc., and it can also be done by the lightning process. Nitrogen fixation can be done artificially by adding fertilizers to the soil so that the plants can get useful nitrogen and can use it. Next is nitrogen assimilation. The conversion of inorganic nitrogenous compounds into organic compounds is called nitrogen assimilation. So whatever the nitrogen get converted into nitrates or usable form, that is actually your inorganic nitrogen compounds until and unless it is not used up by the plants use the nitrogen present in the soil and make food or make protein. Okay, and now this is your organic compound. When the plants use that nitrogen compounds and converts it into food, it becomes organic compound. So this is known as nitrogen assimilation. Okay, next is ammonification. Ammonification is a process in which the organic nitrogen compound present in the plants and animal body get converted into ammonia. And when it happens, when the plants and animals die, the decomposers decompose the body. Okay, decomposers like fungi or bacteria decompose the body and breaks down the nitrogen compounds into ammonia, and the process is known as ammonification. Next is nitrification. It is the conversion of ammonia into nitrates by the nitrifying bacteria. And the last is denitrification, in which the nitrates are converted back to the free nitrogen, and it is done by denitrifying bacteria. Let us understand this by a picture. Here you can see the atmospheric nitrogen gets converted into nitrate by the lightning process one, and here another one is nitrogen fixing bacteria. Okay, which is present in the root nodules of leguminous plant, and this is known as nitrogen fixation. Now these nitrates get used up by the plants and get converted into organic compounds, and the process is known as assimilation. Okay, when these plants and the animals die, the nitrogen present in their body get converted into ammonia, and the process is known as ammonification. As you can see here, one fungus is there, that means it is the decomposer which is decomposing the plant and animal body and converting the nitrogen content present in their body into ammonia. Okay, now this ammonia is get acted upon by the nitrifying bacteria, and nitrifying bacteria converts this ammonia into nitrates. Okay, and when these nitrates are acted upon by the denitrifying bacteria, the nitrate get converted into the atmospheric nitrogen. So the this process of circulation of nitrogen between the atmosphere, soil, plants and animals is called the nitrogen cycle. Hope you understood the video. Thank you.